ran away, spent everything and lost his way. He came back home with nothing to say, but you ran to him, you did not delay. No rejection, no shame to see. Arms wide open, you welcomed him, and what he thought was over was just the start. You restored his life, you healed his heart. You never gave up on me. Even when I ran. Like Jonah in the deep, trying to escape, running from purpose and running from grace. But in the dark you kept him alive, and not to destroy him but to realign. You gave him another chance to obey what he avoided. He faced that day, even in disobedience you stayed the same. You called me back, you called my name. Hey! You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. Even when I ran. Yeah, when I cried out you heard my voice. You never gave up on me. When I gave up, you held me close. You never gave up on me. You showed the way. You never gave up on me. I'm standing here. No more fear, no more fear. Now I believe you never gave up on me. I receive you never gave up on me. I'm free, you never gave up on me. Say it again, you never gave up on me. You not stop now, you never gave up on me. I am now, you never gave up on me. Louder now. DJ Jerryman, keep it moving. Let the sound reach heaven. Because when I was running, you waited for me. When I was silent, you spoke for me. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. From my past to my present to my future, forevermore. Say it again. Say it again. You never get again. Say it again. You never gave up on me. Say it again. Never gave up on me. Everybody now. Let it rise. Yeah, you never gave up on me. You never gave up on me.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. You turn it around is the title for this one, and after this one I think I can play one or two pidgin version of the praise for the sake of some of us that have been waiting for pidgin praise, and before I will round up the show to come up again later, right? God bless you for being there, and thank you for your support on the platform. I sincerely appreciate that. Whatever you do to add value to the platform, it counts a whole lot to me here in the studio. God bless you for being there. DJ Jerryman live in the studio, and don't forget all these songs have already been made available in all streaming platforms. Check them out. Even though when I go offline, the music are live. At any time you can access them at your own convenient time, and make yourself comfortable with them, and I can assure you will be amazed with what you encounter there on those platforms, right? Let's check this one out, and after it I think I may play one or two pidgin praise before round up the show. Thank you for being there. DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
Turn it around. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You turn it around, you turn it around, you turn it around. It looks so